Hello there! I want to give you a little video update on the video cut detection editor because I've been working really hard rewriting a bunch of the code because I see a lot of potential here. And what you can see, let's just select something that's not analyzed. You can see the layout is a little different. So when you have a video, you see the name there, and if it's not analyzed, you have a button for that. So if we click that, it analyzes, and that's also with a pop-up like that. And we can still analyze video from in here if you want to reanalyze it in case you have deleted a bunch of cuts. So now we can still go through with our keys. We can tab up and write another name, look down, and go through. And then we could also color some of these things. And if you look down here, now we can actually hold down the super key command on Mac. I think it's the Windows key on Windows. And if we could also press enter instead. And if we do that, we just insert a single cut, or yeah, a single marker. So we could sort of go through and add markers like this. And you can, in the settings, set what type of single insert you want. And this might also be the time to say that you can navigate the pans or the tabs up here with Control and the keys. So we can also show hide that option from the keyboard. All right, let's continue. There was a request about a sub-project. So here's a sub-project. And as you can see, there's no video in here. But if I move around, it follows the video from the main project. And in here, we could also say, let's do this marker, or like this cut and this cut. This cut would be great to be yellow. So we can really quickly go through and add cuts in here as well. Let's get back out here, and then we select these two videos in our compare video pane. And here we can go with our keyboard as well with our arrows. And if you press arrow down, you will use the cuts from the lower one. And if you have select follows playhead, it will deselect from the other video. So if I just disable that, you can see if I go up here, now I'm only looking at other cuts from the previous video or from the top video, and now I'm looking at cuts from the lower video. And we can swap the order of these two. So now they are basically, you can see this one is a little longer. I could also make this more clear. So now it sees the top one as the lower one. And back again. So this is just a start, but it's really exciting. I hope I have managed to keep everything kind of where it is. I'm uploading this one, and then there will be more features coming. Bye.